Who's this?
It's Thomas.
Thomas. Who's this?
It's Charlie.
Charlie. And this one?
That's Victor.
Victor. And
Stepper.
Stafford. Who's this?
It's James.
James. And this?
That's Toby.
Toby. Who's this?
It's Kevin.
Kevin. And this?
It's Percy.
Percy. And
It's Emily.
Henry. That's your favorite. Who's it?
Diesel.
Diesel. And who's this?
That's Gordon.
Gordon. And who's this lady?
It's Emily.
Emily. Good job.